Do you want to remember the 4 agile values in less than 4 minutes and never forget them? Then in this video, I'm going to record that and tell you how to remember the 4 agile values using 1. Mnemonics, 2. flashcards, 3. mind maps. In less than 4 minutes, I'm going to show you how to do this, and then you will remember these values for a long time and be able to answer questions in your certification examinations as well as work efficiently in your work environment. Let's get started. Let's start with the mnemonics. So you see here IWCCRR. So this is related to 4 agile values. What is the first agile value? The first agile value says individuals and interactions over processes and tools. We value individual interactions over processes and tools. The second value says that working software that works, is valued more over comprehensive documentation. Lot of documentation that's not of no use, right? But working software is valued more. The third one, customer collaboration, right? Working with the customer closely over contracts and negotiation. This is the third value. The fourth value is responding to change over following a plan. So these are the 4 values we have. Now, how do we remember these values, right? So take a paper or a card and just write down these 5 letters, IWCCR. So what is the mnemonic? The sequence of the mnemonic, right? It's difficult to remember this IWCCR. So I'll give you a sequence for that. That is, I stands for India, W stands for wins, C stands for Cricket Cup, and R stands for Rawalpindi in Pakistan. So India wins Cricket Cup in Rawalpindi. So these correspond to some values. So how do you use a flashcard? You put the question in front and the answer at the back. That's how you use a flashcard. So when you open and try to read this I and try to recollect the answer, what does I stand for? Individuals and interactions over. If you forget, no problem. Just turn back the flashcard and see individuals and interactions over process and tools. That's how your brain works. It goes and fetches for information. If information is not there, it still triggers a neural transmitter, right? So there is a connection that happens in your brain, and then it goes and makes the connection, okay, process and tools. Do this for 3-4 times a day. You just need to spend like 15 seconds on a card on this in IWCCR 3-4 times a day, and within a couple of days you'll remember all the 4 values. Let's say, for example, you're trying to recollect and see CC. What is CC is, okay? Is it customer collaboration or something else? No problem. Let's turn the card and see the answer. So the more you turn the card and see the answer is going to help you. That's the first thing, right? So that's the mnemonic and the flashcard use. Next thing is, I want you to understand how to use your brain effectively by using mind maps. Mind maps help to use both the right side and the left side of your brain. Right is the creative, left is the logical brain. So creative talks about images, left talks about the words, numbers, and all those things, right? So mind maps help you remember this. I have created a mind map for all the 4 values, for individual interactions, then for processes and tools, then for working software or comprehensive documentation. Then there's one more slide on customer collaboration over contracts and negotiation, and there's one more slide on, lastly, responding to change or following a plan. So all the slides are in front of you. In a summary, I've put a last page on the mind map also. It is there on the screen. So just take a paper and just make this mind map for yourself. You'll remember this. So these were the 3 tips of using mnemonics, flashcards, and mind maps to remember our 4 agile values. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.